Hey there! Let's start this video by setting the mood with these pumpkin candles printed in base mode. I recommend using LED candles to not melt the PLA. Are you looking for a cool way to hide your Halloween candy? Then this twist lock coffin is just the right thing for you. First collect all the parts. Let's assemble it. That's a pretty fascinating mechanism. Time to add the candy. Close the lid, lock it up, and you're good to go. It also looks amazing in red and black. Check out this awesome Frankenstein's monster bust. You can use it for candy. Or you add some brain to the game. Ooh, way smarter. This Jumpy Ghost is awesome and a fun toy for kids. Super easy to print and assemble. Simply click it in place. And it looks great in all sorts of colors. There are some amazing details on those creepy hands. They will be a great addition to your Halloween decoration. Or you can use it to hold stuff for you. This jack-o'-lantern candy dispenser is awesome. Let's first collect all the parts. And then assemble it. Time to add the candy. And close it up. And with the press of a button, you release your candy. This Tensegrity skeleton head is fascinating. The head is only held by 4 tiny strings. But it's pretty small. Let's go bigger. Same principle. This articulated skeleton was printed in place. And it's super flexible. It also looks great in orange. And with a string attached to it, you can hang it wherever you like. And can you already guess what the optical illusions are? Let's hold them into the light. Pretty fascinating, right? Are you looking for a cool find in detail for your Halloween party? Then try these scary pumpkin coasters. And by the way, you can find a link to all files in the description. Happy Halloween, guys!